project is under a society. It's a tenement project, 3.5 BHK, and this is located in Vadodara. जब भी ये प्रोजेक्ट हमने चालू किया था, वी वांटेड टू स्टार्ट द डिज़ाइन लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम द एंट्रेंस. दैट मीन्स अगर आप एंट्रेंस पे देख रहे होगे, वी डिड द लिटिल कार्विंग डिटेल्स ऑन द एंट्रेंस. वी वांटेड, बिकॉज दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज इन अ टेरामेंट, सारे घर एक सेम ही दिखते हैं, रो हाउसेस जो आप ऑल ओवर इंडिया में बोलते हैं. सो वी वांटेड टू मेक श्योर द डिज़ाइन लैंग्वेज इज़ बीइंग फॉलोड फ्रॉम द एंट्रेंस. सो चलिए मैं आपको अंदर का दिखाती हूँ. And we have some chakkus accompanying us in this project. Hi Bablu. Hi Bablu. Hi Bablu. One quick message guys, look at the mother. So अगर आपके सोसाइटी में कोई प्रेग्नेंट डॉग है या फिर आजू बाजू में है, डू फीड देम. क्योंकि मैं तो यहाँ पे एक बार आऊँगी, मैं फीड करके चलूँ, एवरी टाइम आई कम आई फीड हर, बट ये आपकी भी ऐसा सोसाइटी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ना, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. सो द डिज़ाइन लैंग्वेज अगेन एज आई सेड कि बहुत डिफरेंट है. सो दिस इज़ अ ट्राइबल पेंट दैट वी डिड. स्पेसिफिकली इसको हम लोगों ने बेज कलर में कलर किया है, एंड वी डिड दिस विद एन आर्टिस्ट. इट इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल पेंट. आते हुए ही देर इज़ अ लैंग्वेज दैट दिस होम इज़ डिफरेंट देन अदर होम. सो दिस इज़ द सेफ्टी door that we made, but we have immediately यहाँ पे ही partition provided by the builder. So what we did is we created this safety door in two parts. So this safety door we customized. These are the antique brass fittings that we have installed. अंदर जाली दी हुई है, and यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने पूरी जो fittings है, we again repeated the design language. Why I'm saying this? Because छोटी छोटी details एक designing project में बहुत matter करता है. Here we are starting from here. चलिए अंदर चलते. एंड ऑन द मेन डोर अगर आप यहाँ पे भी डिटेलिंग देखें, वी हैव रिपीटेड द सेम ट्राइबल आर्ट, एंड वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस इन विनियर. यहाँ पे ग्रूव पॉलिश किया है, एंड यू कैन सी द डिटेलिंग. एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली अ ट्रेडमो होम. आपको बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिज़ाइन देखने को मिलेगा. कम ऑन इन. So the client had a very unique requirement. We created a space which looks spacious, which looks very breathable. I just love the vibe of this space. Very Indian traditional guys. 100% Indian traditional नहीं है, but अगर आप गुजरात के homes देखें या फिर केरला के home देखें, there is a part of India, and I just love how it has come out. So this sofa is from actually IKEA. The client had this requirement to have a sofa cum bed. We wanted to have a beige sofa, and also this can be converted as a sofa cum bed, and this room can be used as a living space / guest bedroom as well. The requirement was as such that we have to maintain and follow the budget. इसको मैं explain करूँगी. And this is the grand living room. Length जो है ये 16 feet है, and this is 12 feet. Actually this is quite compact compared to the living space we get. But आजकल के दिन में apartment और tenement में we get this size. We have utilized it in such a way that it looks grand, and this room is a multi-purpose room, not only living space. So starting from the झूला, obviously again this we customized for the client. अगर आप देखोगे तो this has lot of detailing here and with brass hook. Now यहाँ पे झूला झूलने के लिए बहुत space नहीं है, but client needed this and their kids love it. So obviously this झूला is here. On the corner we have given a corner table, and उसके ऊपर हमने एक बुद्धा रखा है. Now this place can be again used as a side table also. These art pieces which I love, by the way I'm going to make a separate shorts on this. So these art pieces are hand carved, and अगर आप details देखेंगे, each art piece has a different story behind. So you can pause and watch this, and this is the art piece. Very detailed, very intricate work. Love it. So this is again very cozy sitting. I just love this one because it has the same design language as well as the other furnitures in this room. उसके साथ साथ little detailing here. It is quite comfortable. अगर आप बैठोगे, people have this thought mind पे कि पीछे की अगर रेस्ट जो है वो छोटा होता है तो वो comfortable नहीं होता है. Let me show you. This is very comfortable. This is very comfortable. और अगर आप cushion रखोगे तो it will become more comfortable. Now on the center we have a very compact center table, and it is very light as well. क्योंकि अगर आप सोफ़ा खोल रहे हो तो it can be easily moved, and आप इसको एज अ बेड, ये एरिया को एज अ बेडरूम यूज़ कर सकते हो। दिस इज़ अ टीवी यूनिट। मोमेंट यू ओपन द फ्रंट एंट्रेंस, आपको इमीडिएटली टीवी यूनिट मिलता है एंड उसके इमीडिएटली बाद आपका चालू हो जाता है द स्टेयरकेस एंड उसके बाद इमीडिएटली देयर इज अ स्पेस which was initially empty that we designed beautifully because we wanted to have that X factor। इस जगह को कैसे यूटिलाइज करें, अगर हम लोग ये टीवी यूनिट, स्टेयरकेस, अलग स्पेस ये बना देते तो ये जगह और भी छोटा लगता। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट व्हाट वी डिड इज वी क्रिएटेड अ टीवी यूनिट matching with the same granite which is on the staircase, and we created an extra unit that has this X factor that has this beautiful curving pillar. We customized this for the client in our factory and I just love it because look at the beauty. This created a difference in the entire living area that I really love. So you can see the intricate detailing over there. Behind it we have an art piece, and this counter, as I was speaking, we have created this extra step ताकि ये एक level out हो जाए। and उसके साथ साथ this was the 3D reference that we shared with the client and this is what we created. I'll show you something very interesting. आप सोच रहे होंगे what is this, Ananya? What this looks like a display unit, it looks like a bookshelf, it looks like many things, but guys this is a dining table. We actually handmade it on site because nothing as such was available in internet, और client की भी ना ऐसे requirement थी कि she wanted a dining table but she is not going to use it क्योंकि वो इंडिया में नहीं रहते हैं, they are from Dubai. So let me open this and show it to you, and tada! And this is now converted to a dining table, guys. On a short video I will show you कि ये कैसे open होता है. This was entirely customized to the space. Client wanted a dining table but also उनको ये space रोकना नहीं था. So if you just push the sofa, keep the bench here, so this can be converted as a dining table as well. This can be, अगर इसको half खोल देना, this can be converted as a study table as well. So this area is not only a bedroom, not only a dining space, this can be a study area as well. So ये जगह बहुत सारी तरीके से यूज़ हो सकता है. What better than this? Obviously there is another thing which I really love about the project. And आपको लगता है कि इस रूम की सरप्राइज ख़त्म हो गई होगी, but we have actually कोई कलर नहीं है स्पेस में. We have added the color in the fall ceiling. That's it, guys. The ceiling is in a very beautiful shade of yellow, has a very light brownish tint to it. I will add the codes in the description box. And Dhruti, my client, she is a biggest follower of interior Matan, and she said जब भी घर होगा तो फिर हम लोग अनन्या से ही करवाएंगे. And then she reached out to us. She was such a wonderful person throughout the process. Everything was so smooth.
When we enter the house, we should get a smile. That is the first expectation for me. When we are sitting in a house, when we are in the house, it should feel a house and it should not feel like we are sitting in some hotel apartment or any
flat.
Yeah.
Like for both of us, luxury is not classy things. Luxury is comfort. I don't want to set a standard according to what society has said. I wanted my use, my comfort, and I like this piece whether it is costly or cheap. And we have stayed in a house which like had nothing, and even at that time we were comfortable. Every furniture or everything we have bought in even our home now has one memory. So basically it is a collection of all our choices which we are putting it together now, and we want a home which looks like a home, simple, and should look good because I feel good inside the house.
She gave us so much freedom. That's why this home is so beautiful, guys. क्योंकि with the experience आप आपकी requirement लेके आते हो, but with our experience we design the home as per our best capabilities. Fall ceiling looks beautiful, and the detailing that we added is the cornice जो हम बताते हैं, the detail beading putty throughout the fall ceiling, and only in the living space we did a fall ceiling. बाकी पूरे घर पे fall ceiling नहीं है. And obviously this beautiful traditional partition that we created, now this again was customized on site. अगर आप एक डिज़ाइनर हो, so you probably आपको ऑलरेडी पता है कि ये सारी डिटेलिंग करने में कितना टाइम जाता है और कितनी इंट्रिगेट काम ज़रूरी है इसके लिए. एंड वी डिड fluted panel here so that it has a privacy. So initially the wall was still here, हमने ये extend किया. extend करने के बाद हमने यहाँ पे ना, because we extended this, we have added groups ताकि यहाँ पे future में cracks नहीं आए, and उसके साथ साथ we created this partition, so this space looks wholesome all together and it has a privacy. अगर kitchen back side से भी entrance है, अगर कोई अंदर आ रहा है इस space में आने के लिए there is a partition. So चलिए मैं आपको kitchen दिखाती हूँ. किचन कंपैरेटिवली थोड़ा सा सिंपल है. चलो, किचन इज़ फेयरली मॉडर्न एंड क्वाइट सिंपल बिकॉज दैट वाज द रिक्वायरमेंट. दे आर हार्डली गोइंग टू यूज इट, शायद साल में एक बार. यू कुड सी लाइक देयर इज़ नो फॉल सीलिंग एंड देयर इज़ नो फॉल सीलिंग थ्रू आउट द होम. ऑल वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड इज tandem drawer way profile shutters, and these are all from, as usual, Hafele. We prefer this brand. And then the color is little gray and we have lights and black fittings. With that we have here is wicker basket, and overall this is it. We have a crockery space here and island space. Kitchen को functional बनाने के लिए जो जो चीज़ें चाहिए जैसे चिमनी है and then fridge, all this thing obviously has to be placed. ये बाकी है, but you could have a look. This is very simple but very functional kitchen for them.
During the process, like I wanted a pull-out bed with the wardrobe, but space issue आ रहा था. तो जो space issue था उसको explain करने के लिए एजाज ने hesitate नहीं किया था. He told me the details well. ये design wise, concept wise, it is correct. I can design that type of a wardrobe for you, but when you open, it will not be possible for you to move in or move out of the room.
Jyoti, this is for you actually.
हाँ, एक्चुअली जो फर्स्ट मीटिंग हुई थी, इनिशियल मीटिंग, वहाँ पे उन्होंने जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स बताई थी और मुझे पूरी फ्रीडम दी थी डिज़ाइन के लिए कि जिस तरह डिज़ाइन करो. बट उन्होंने उनका एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर दिया था कि हमको ये चाहिए, और कुछ एलिमेंट्स भी उनकी तरफ से हमें पिलर्स का जो डिज़ाइन है, जो गुजराती एलिमेंट से स्विंग है, पिलर्स है और कुछ छोटे मोटे डिटेल्स जो ट्रेडिशनल, वो फिर उसको साथ में लेके फिर पूरा एक डिज़ाइन किया था. और जो भी डिज़ाइन और रिविजन्स भी हुए थे उनके भी कुछ थॉट्स थे, मेरे भी कुछ थॉट्स मैंने अप्लाई करके फिर हमने एक बेटर प्रोसेस की इस पर.
And welcome to the parents' bedroom. So this is a very cozy parents' bedroom because of budgetary thoughts. Okay, let's have this made in laminate. You know, we added a dark wooden pillar and we have created the seating as per the 3D. And ये मंदिर जो है, it is a ready-made मंदिर. You know, later on probably we will create the मंदिर because the design was so great. So we decided to have this मंदिर space made. This is the northeast corner, guys. So as per the direction, we should keep the मंदिर in the northeast direction. So यहाँ पे ये आ जाता है. So this is a laminated wardrobe and ये जो है ये this is colored and made with MDFs and we added this handles. Storage space नीचे भी दिया गया है. Usually ये अंदर दिया जाता है, but we wanted to create this elongated effect. That's why we created the नीचे दो चार drawers. We have openable space here. ऊपर पे भी, मालिया पे भी we have added storage. And this I really like because the antique feeling on the wardrobe looks very different. Regular wardrobe that we see उससे काफ़ी different लगता है. And we did a really good cost cutting because हमने यहाँ पे instead of PU we took regular color and then we spray painted it and then we added the handle, and this is laminate. So technically this is not super expensive but it looks very premium. Coming to this side, we have this sofa cum bed. Again, can be converted into a bed. This is from Wooden Street actually, and as a review, I would say the furnitures that we make sure that all the fittings and everything is pretty nice. I don't find it very premium in terms of quality. So if you are planning to get similar, ये same design में आपको पसंद है तो ना मैं description में link तो दे दूँगी. If you are in the budget, so this can be a very good option. If you are not, then get it customized by your designer or local carpenter. That will be a very good quality. I like the detailing of the cane in this furniture. I like the detailing of the headboard in the furniture, and overall this is okay. On the back, we have this beautiful art pieces. It looks very good, and reference maybe we have given something like this. This is like very good quality handcrafted art, and I really love it. On this, we wanted to install a wallpaper, but exterior wall है, so we just created this motif, and उसके साथ we added the light, and उसके साथ to create that indirect lighting effect, I'll turn off and show you. Okay, this is the effect that we get अगर हम लोग ट्यूब ऑन नहीं रखते हैं. वी हैव एडेड वॉल लाइट्स एवरीवेयर टू मेक श्योर द इफेक्ट ऑफ द होम, द इंटीरियर इज गुड, क्योंकि वाइट लाइट पे उतनी इफेक्ट आती नहीं है. ओके, फर्स्ट फ्लोर में आते हैं. फर्स्ट द स्पेस वी सी इज अ हाफ रूम बिकॉज दिस इज अ स्टडी रूम दैट वी कन्वर्टेड. इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड एज अ बेडरूम एज वेल. अगेन देयर इज नो फॉल सीलिंग. वी क्रिएटेड दिस पैनल्स क्योंकि द किड्स आर स्मॉल और उनको कुछ ड्रॉ करना होता है. दे कुड यूज this space. In here they have like an entire storage जहाँ पे वो सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से रख सकते हैं, and there are plenty of drawers with chalks. They can paint whatever they want to paint. Subscribe. So you should subscribe to our channel because we make very practical homes and very practical videos, and there are a lot of storage here as well. यहाँ पे पिन बोर्ड दिया है जो हम लोगों ने curtains के साथ. This is the same fabric we matched, and this is a very cozy area. We provided them 2 study chairs as well because they are twins. A good amount of bookshelves as you could see. नीचे भी बहुत सारे storage दिया हुआ है, ऊपर भी storage दिया हुआ है. There are some shelves with spotlights, and with that this space is ready. So this room is done, guys. It is like the drawers and shelf all have very nice handles below it, and it is made fully with laminate. This space is made with fully laminate. So चलो मैं आपको kids room दिखाती हूँ because this is going to be something different. And welcome to the kids bedroom. The moment you enter, you see this beautiful bed and this beautiful wardrobe. So the wardrobe concept was nice. Like we wanted to create a very simple and very colorful bedroom. Doti ke beefy में यही थी. She wanted a wardrobe which has colors. So this is MDF and this is paint. Actually we did not do any PU, and it has plenty of space inside as well. ऊपर में हम लोगों ने laminated cabinet shutters बनाया है. On this side we have cabinet जहाँ पे this is a chest of drawer that was made specially for them. All the corners are edged, and इसमें काफ़ी सारे toy रखने की space है, and I love the color combination that we have done. The blues, you can see the repetition of blues everywhere. The moment you come this side, this is the bed we designed for them, and I just love it. Like later on ना वो वहाँ पे यहाँ पे fabric भी देके they can create a very cozy space. So we have created like that, and मैंने आपको बताया था they are twins, so we have like this can be converted to a secondary bed. So this is very practical. This was entirely customized by our own team. क्यों ये किया उसके पीछे भी reason you understand, right? The kids are small. They wanted the entire space for them to available ताकि वो खेल सके, because we make fixed furnitures and उसके बाद खेलने के लिए बच्चों के लिए जगह नहीं है. They are little naughty, so they wanted the space to be entirely open. Here we have created a color rainbow concept that was required from the client, and I really like the colors we have. It is like not typical rainbow, and we have this beautiful butterfly light. This space, right? This, what is this? Look at this. They have a beautiful mirror. थोड़ी दिनों बाद बड़े हो जाएंगे तो they could use this, but at the same point of time we didn't wanted the mirror to be displayed directly the moment you enter. So यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने corners जो है again laminated curved कर दिया है, and यहाँ पे भी थोड़ी सी storage space दे दिया है so that they can use it, and there are light as well. Yeah. This is done, guys. I'll show you the master bedroom, and later on you could give me your opinions. And welcome to the master bedroom, guys. Ta-da! There is no bed. There is a reason for it. We'll talk about it. But this is the photo you could see that we have made for the client. So पीछे ना हम लोगों ने full headboard बना दिया है with padding, and we have given 2 side tables. The king of the space is definitely the wardrobe. Look at this. The wardrobe was made in MDF. There is color. There is louvers as well, and client had a requirement of modern traditional home, so we created this wardrobe for them. And these handles are from Amazon. You know how much I like this detailed wardrobe handles. If you come this side, this is the dressing unit that we have made for the client, and you could see like light and dark ki combination. In terms of wood, we have used light wood and then dark wood, and one little pinch of color on the wardrobe. And there is a lot of scope in this space in future as well. अगर उनको कुछ wallpaper add करना है, if you want to do something later on when they permanently move into India, तो शायद ये हो सकता है. And the curtains are also in a very light green shade, which is similar to the wardrobe shade. And if you come to this side, also we have created this teakwood chairs for them. And ऊपर एक art piece लगने वाला है. We have it. I'll show you right now. This is the art piece I'm going to install here today, and this looks really nice. This is kalamkari, hand printed with this beautiful dark brown frame and with a hint of gold in it. And I really like that hathi na, it is very auspicious for any bedrooms or any home, so this is going to make a lot of sense in this room. And we have 2 sittings with chair. Now coming back to the first point, why we don't have a bed here, because वो यहाँ पे नहीं रहते हैं. Whenever they come, they get lot of people over, and जब भी वो होता है तो they want the bedroom, including their master bedroom, to be used as one single space. So that's why we have the headboard and not actual bed. We have the mattresses but not the actual bed. So that's why this space is empty, क्योंकि clients के requirement इतने unique आते हैं, इतने different आते हैं. And when we make spaces like this is the advantage we get, because we get to learn about how people in India live, and I love it. That's why this series is called India Ka Ghar and not anything else. As an art pieces, we have added these lights that we got locally customized from them. So I'll turn off the and you could see this light gives a very cozy environment, and same with the dressing unit also, we have provided the same thing. The customization went so ahead that we actually customized all the curtain rods for them, and this is the design. And if you are a contractor and a company who is working in this field for more than 10 to 15 years, you should reach out to us, because we are planning to expand and we need good people, good team who can do luxury execution and even basic execution with us. The details will be in the description.
I'm your arms when you're weary. Go on, lay your wounds on me. You don't know how much I can carry. You don't know how much I care. Throw me into the deepest ocean, and I promise you I'll swim through the highs and the lows. You will find me, and just know that I'm here to stay. Like every wave will find its way back into the big blue, I will find my way to you. And like a harvest moon, turn from darkness into gold. That's when you'll know that you'll find home. So here we go now, slowly open up your eyes. Let me be your guide. Step inside nonsense. With good and bad, still we got no regrets. I've been down, I've been wounded and beaten by the ones that I cared for most. But with you, I think I found home. Like every wave will find its way back into the big blue. I will find my way to you, and like a harvest moon, turn from darkness into gold. That's how you know that you found home. So here we go now, slowly open up your eyes. Let me be your guide. Stepping stones together. Do you see it now? You're still a child. Like every wave will find its way back into the big blue. I will find my way to you, and like a harvest moon, turn from darkness into gold. That's how you'll know that you found home.
With that, this video is done, guys. I hope you love the first इस साल का पहला इंडिया का घर. We have back to back इंडिया का घर coming and घर एक सपना as well. With that, impactful some projects आने वाले हैं. We are starting some new series as well. So stay tuned and subscribe to India Mata and show us some love. Bye bye.